If cellular data is not working suddenly on your Samsung device, even though you know that you have data left, then what you do is, the first thing is go to settings here, go to this option general management, go to reset and select this option reset mobile network settings. Now you have to again tap on this option reset settings, and then you have to enter the PIN number that you use to unlock your phone and then reset. Now the mobile network settings will be reset. After that, the other thing that you can do is go to settings, go to connections, go to mobile networks, go to access point names, tap on these three dotted icons here and then select reset to default and then reset again. After you have done this much, what you do is restart your phone and check if this cellular data starts to work or not. Hopefully this should fix the issue. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and comment on the video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.